What's going on, everybody? Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Today I'm going to show you the packs of seeds I plan on ordering from Baker Creek Seeds so I can get that order in the beginning of this coming week. So here's the seed catalog. Let's hop in. Okay, I'm showing this in order of how it appears in the book. So the first one will be this Roma II green bean. It's a bush variety. Okay, the next is going to be the Ozark giant green pepper. And if it's not listed where the seeds are, it's $3 a packet. Up top here, there's 25 seeds per packet. Something different going on, like these bullnose will have packet of seeds 10. So you look at the very beginning and that will describe how many seeds are in your packet. The next seed will be the Spinach Bloomsdale long standing. This actually shows that it does better in hot weather. It's $2.75 a pack. The next seed I'll be picking up is squash. It's $2.75 a pack, 50 days. And let's see, based on up top, there's a minimum of 20 seeds per packet. The best plant that I've grown so far, it's still outside, you know, it's about 40 degrees right now. It's actually been covered in snow and still is growing. Swiss Chard. I'm going to pick up this rainbow variety. And what's cool with this is it actually gives you a little description up top, and something I didn't know. It shows that Swiss Chard is actually the same species as beets, but these varieties grow the leaves rather than the root. So that's kind of neat information to know. So if you want to see my seed haul when they come in, and then in the springtime when I'm planting the seeds, don't forget to subscribe down below. Next up, tomatoes. Kate over at Heart and Gardening was very high on the Cherokee purple. So I'm going to try it out. Next, I figure you got to mix it up a little bit. I'll get this tie-dye pink and green. And then the final seed for this season, I'll pick up these yellow pear tomato seeds. Well, I say the final seeds, but that'll be from Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds. I want to thank you guys for taking your time to watch the seeds that I'm planning on picking up from Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds and planting this season between my garden and my grandfather's garden. I do appreciate everybody's comments. Let me know what you think of the seeds that I'm picking up, and if you're picking up some different ones, same variety. I'll see you in the next video.